Looks like science has had her mind on that thing too for a while. Just look at her tugging on it. She's fishing. She's gonna catch her a Bubba's. Catch you a Bubba, Science. Go on, yo. Oh, you're getting a nibble. Oh, I think he knows what's up. I think he's too clever, huh? Wait. Oh, he's gonna take it. Wait till he takes it away. Get it, Bubba's. Get that, Bubba's. Yes, you get it. You're gonna tug it on Science who's fishing. Yeah. Oh, shoot. This is a crazy game. You get it, Bubba's. You get that. Yeah. It's your Mousy. Now you play Mousy hit with Science. You're gonna get it. Yeah, Science has got you. Get it. Yeah, take it away. Get that, Bubba. Look at Science. She's like, am I doing this? Is it me doing that? Am I the ring master of Mouse Hit now? Get it, Bubba's. You get that. Chance you get Mousy. Oh, you too smart. Figure it out, huh? Oh, Science, get that. Oh, Science, where's it going? You lazy trag.